Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to build a job resume inside Angular 12 with the help of pdfmake.js library. So this will be a PDF document with profile image as well. So this is deployed to Netlify. So Netlify is a great platform where you can deploy your Angular React JS apps. So I have deployed this. So if you want to get all the source code of this tutorial, so go to the video description link. I have given the link of my blog post. This is a step-by-step tutorial. So you will see this is the PDF resume builder here. So you will ask to put some details here. So this is a live demo which is available on this link here. And if you want to get all the source code, simply click download full source code. This is a GitHub repository of mine. So you can download this source code. And if you want to get the live demo here, you will go to this link here. So just go to the video description link of my blog post. And this is the actual app here, guys. This is a live demo that I'm showing. So it will ask for some personal details here: name, contact number, address, email ID, social profile. You can add as many skills as you want here in this. Just click this plus icon here like this. And then experience, job title, experience here, education, school, passing year, percentage. And then you can provide other details as well. You can also upload a file as well inside your profile image. So first of all, I will plug the actual details of mine so you can plug this yourself. I'm just showing the how to do this. So plug the phone number as well. You can plug your address as well accordingly, whatever address that you have. Email ID you can put here. Social profile you can put here also. So whatever social profile that, let's suppose I have this. And then you have the skills, guys. You can add as many skills as you want. So this is all get into the resume here. So I'm just showing you. So if you want to add more here, you can just use this plus icon. That's it. After that, you can have employer here, job title as well. That's it. So I'm just filling it some random text here so that you can just see here. You can put it number here, this experience, education. You can select from drop down. School, college, you can just pass here. Passing year should be a number, and percentage is also a number. And you can also fill out other details as well. So whichever here. And now you can select your profile image, guys. So I can select my image, profile image, which will appear here in the resume. So there are four options here. First, you can open the PDF here like this, and now it will create the PDF document for you, which is resume. This is your name, address, email address, contact number, GitHub here like this. This is clickable. So if you click this, it will point to something here. And these are the skills, guys. So whatever skills that you put in, these are the experience, education, other details, and this is your sign, signature, and this is QR code, and this is a picture. So simple resume, which is there, Angular 12 PDF make. So PDF make is a client side PDF generation library. So if you search on Google, this is the official website of this library. So we are using this library to make this PDF resume, and we have deployed this to netlifyapp.com. You can see then there is a download PDF option as well. So if you click this, it will download it inside your local machine. So you can just open this like this. Third option is printing option. If you want to print it, so simply click that option and it will have this option of print as well. So here you can just print this PDF resume as well. And the last option is reset option. If you want to reset all the fields, simply click this and all the fields will be gone. Now you can fill out the details once again. So this was the overall application, guys. If you want to build it inside your own PC, so this is very easy. Go to the my blog post, and if you drag down, simply click this option, download full source code. You can locally build this project as well, or you can make use of a website called as Code Sandbox, which is a perfect website, codesandbox.io. So here you can build out your applications. Click on new sandbox. Here you can select Angular application, and you can import here also. So simply click this GitHub option here, and click the open GitHub import. So here you need to paste this URL, which is just copy this URL, and here you need to paste it and import and fork. So it will create this repository for you, and it will create this project for you. So if you just want to see how it works, so simply you can build this project inside this website. This is a very fantastic website where you can build out React.js, Angular, and Vue.js applications without having to locally. So in this way you can do this. So you can just correct all the errors which are there inside the document. This was the overall app, guys, how to build out a simple resume, PDF resume in pdfmake.js in Angular. So thanks so much for watching this video. And if you want to get all the source code, go to the video description link. And also please like the video.